This Freeman Pneumatic 15 degrees 1/3 inches rapid-fire coil roofing nailer is an amazingly powerful tool that is extremely fast with its nail delivery, making it the perfect choice for applications such as asphalt and cedar shingles, roof and wall sheathing, flooring underlayment, siding installation, wood crate assembly, and fences. This air-powered nail gun is compatible with 15-degree wire collated roofing nails from 3/4 inches to 1/3 inches, which load from the side for speed and efficiency. A magnetic nail holder aligns the nails when loading and ensures jam-free firing. The bump fire trigger drives nails with precision and features a fire lock to prevent accidental firing when the tool is not in use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The body of the oil-free roofing nailer is made of lightweight and rugged die-cast magnesium, resulting in a tool ideal for use during long shifts. A one-piece drive blade and anodized aluminum cylinder add to the durability. The depth of the nails is easily adjustable by simply turning a wheel near the trigger, while the comfort grip handle helps reduce fatigue and increase accuracy. This pneumatic nail gun also features an air filter, anti-dust cap to keep internal components free of dust and debris. The pneumatic 15 degrees 1/3 inches rapid-fire coil roofing nailer will allow you to handle DIY projects and professional contractor jobs fast and easily. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Designed for applications such as asphalt and cedar shingles, roof and wall sheathing, flooring underlayment, siding installation, wood crate assembly, and fences. Number 2. Compatible with 15-degree wire collated roofing nails from 3/4 inches to 1/3 inches. Number 3. Nails load from the side fast and easily. Number 4. Magnetic nail holder aligns the nails when loading and ensures jam-free firing. Number 5. Bump fire trigger drives nails with speed and accuracy. Number 6. Fire lock prevents accidental firing when the tool is not in use. Number 7. Magnesium body, resulting in a lightweight tool great for extended use. Number 8. One-piece drive blade for increased durability. Number 9. An anodized aluminum cylinder extends the life of the tool. Number 10. Tool-free finger depth adjusts for various applications, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.